Our next problem, question number 2 of exercise 1.3 is prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Directly we are using the method of contradiction. So first step is let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. This is our contradictory statement. 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Contradiction or assumption. Here our question was to prove it as an irrational number. So in order to prove irrationality, we are first considering or we are first assuming that number to be a rational number. So we can write 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So we can write it in the form P by Q. Right? Any rational number can be written in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0 and P and Q are co-prime numbers. P and Q are co-prime numbers, or HCF of P and Q is 1. HCF, highest common factor of P and Q is 1. So, how we are going to solve this? This is 3 plus 2 root 5 equals P by Q. I am just taking this 3 to other side. P by Q minus 3. We are just doing a simplification. P minus 3Q by Q. Okay. P minus 3Q by Q, or root 5 equals P minus 3Q by 2Q. P minus 3Q by 2Q. Okay. P minus 3Q by this 2 I have taken to the side. So it will come in the denominator. P minus 3Q by 2Q. Here we can see that root 5 is an irrational. We already proved that root 5 is an irrational number. So this is irrational number. But here we know P and Q are integers. P by Q. Since P and Q are co-prime numbers and P and Q are integers. So this is an irrational number equals P and Q are rational numbers, right? P and Q are rational. So irrational equals rational cannot be possible. So here we have proved that root 5 equals, the result coming is a rational number. So our assumption was wrong. Then how we can write this? LHS, left hand side, LHS is a irrational. LHS is an irrational number. RHS is a rational number. LHS is an irrational number and RHS is a rational number. So this is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction to our assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. This is a contradiction to our assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. This is an irrational number, and this is a rational number. One irrational number can never be equal to a rational number. So this is a contradiction to our statement or assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. This is the solution.